The AT-11 Kansan.
Here you go, Merida. Here they come.
This is a training aircraft. It became the standard for the U.S. Army Air Corps during World War II bomber training. It's based off of the Aerowephile transport aircraft, cargo aircraft, Aerowephile. For their missions in the bigger, heavier bombers of World War II. The biggest modification that you'll notice is the big transparent nose on the bomb bay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, one more time, leading the pack through the aerobatic box is the AT-11, the Kansan. It's kind of a unique and cool bird. You don't get to see very many of them. Go like the latest aircraft is needed to transition into the vampire jets. Formation today is the Nanchang CJ-6. The AT-11 comes through powered by two Pratt & Whitney R985 radial engines. Also has a radial engine. It's built by the Czech Republic. We're going to take a few moments to get a few of our performers airborne. Once again, there's still time to get the best seat in the house if you head over to the Army Aviation Heritage Foundation tent on the back of the Warbird ramp, way down there to the right-hand side of the static ramp. So now that we recovered the CJ-6, we're going to get full throttle formation team. We're going to get them airborne. They're going to go back into what we call the holding area. Then we're going to get the Trojan boys, the T-28 Trojans. We're going to get them airborne. They're going to go back into the hold as well. Then the air boss will clear in Tom Richard.